was terrifying coming from behind.
Because you can't see it coming.
And it was honking too. It made it terrifying. Hey guys, we're doing something a little bit unusual. Something I've actually never done before. Me and Matt are out
helping handicapped people get off the train. Help me, come on.
Yeah, totally. I'm not using my good camera right now. I'm just using my phone because this was like an impromptu thing. But we are just chilling by the railroad, and
we are chilling on the northeast corridor, watching some trains go by because it's fun.
And we're making them honk too, and we're having some luck so far.
Choo choo.
Yep. We've had what, maybe 4 pass by, and 3 of them have honked.
4 passed by, and I think like what, 2 or 3 of them honked.
Yeah. So not bad. Not too bad so far, I guess. And I'll put those in right now.
I love trains.
It does. And this is actually pretty fun. I think we've only done this like one time, like years ago, and there was only one train, so it's kind of cool to see all these trains.
This is the best place to come because it's the fastest rail line in the country.
Look at this dramatic pose. It's like the worst day ever to do this. It's like 100 degrees outside and 100% humidity, it feels like almost.
Yeah, it's like, what is it, over 100 degrees out here?
My car said 106 a few hours ago. It's a disgusting day out. And I'm like dying of thirst right now, so I think after this next train we're going to get something to drink and come back here. And he's making me stand close by because he's too scared to stay close by.
It was perfect because I went all the way up to the very edge of the station and I started doing it and he started, and then I went even harder and then I did both hands and then he kept going. Like he knew that I was longing for those horns.
Yep, and he gave them to me all right. So we stopped by 7-Eleven and got slushies. I could not stay out here for another minute, and we got water.
Slurpees.
And Powerade too. But yeah, we are now refreshed.
Sponsored by Stranger Things, Cherry Slurpee.
Is that a thing? No honk. So that last one wasn't a Cell Express, and these seem to be the ones that don't like the honk. They seem like a little stingy.
Yeah, they haven't been honking for some reason.
Yeah, it's always the Amtrak or March trains that are honking for us.
Yeah.
But I don't care, it's still cool to see them pass by.
The city sprinters have been nice tonight.
Yes, they have.
They're very friendly with it.
Matt, do you ever feel like a plastic bag?
Mm-hmm.
That last one was definitely the fastest one so far.
Oh yeah.
And that was in a cell too, right? And we got him to honk.
Yeah, just a little bit. He didn't do the full thing.
We got a little bit of something.
I told you I had a feeling he would do it. I just had a feeling this would be the one.
Maybe. But when that one was passing by, I could literally feel it in my gut. Like, it was just crazy how much power there is behind those things.
I'm getting braver. I used to not be able to stand close, but I feel like I can stand close.
The last one knocked on my water bottle. Rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
This one's gonna stop here.
Yeah, that's the Mark train. It's stopping. going 30 miles an hour under that yellow signal. Somebody's speeding.
Yeah, he's speeding. Wrap this video up here. I gotta get to work. So this was pretty fun. Just a random, unexpected adventure. Just watching trains pass by, making them up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, ride on.